قد خير من ألف الشهر تنزل الملائكة والروح فيها بإذن ربهم من كل أمر سلام هي حتى مطلع الفجر
গুড আফটারনুন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে কষ্ট করে আসার জন্য। আমি ধন্যবাদ জানাচ্ছি আমাদের কমিউনিটি সম্মানীয় মেম্বার সবাইকে, ইসি মেম্বার, ইসি প্লাস মেম্বার, প্রিভিয়াস প্রেসিডেন্ট, অ্যাক্টিং প্রেসিডেন্ট, নিউ কমিটি অ্যান্ড আরও যারা আছেন সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে আজকে এখানে উপস্থিত হওয়ার জন্য। আমি আরেকটা একটু জাস্ট রিমাইন্ডার, বাফলা ইজ এ নন প্রফিট অ্যান্ড নন পলিটিক্যাল অর্গানাইজেশন। সো প্লিজ যারা এসছেন সবাই কোনো কথাকে পার্সোনালি নেবেন না, আবার কেউ কাউকে পার্সোনালি অ্যাটাক করবেন না।
আমি পরিচয় করে দিচ্ছি আমার নিজেকে। আমি শিফা চৌধুরী। আমার পাশে আছেন আঞ্জুমানা শিউলি, জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি। আমার পাশে আছেন ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট আবুল হাসান রায়হান। আমার পাশে আছেন পাবলিক রিলেশন সেক্রেটারি ফারুক হওয়াদার এবং ফাইন্যান্স সেক্রেটারি লাইক আহমদ। Distinguished guests, honorable members of Bafla, our Bangladeshi American community members and media personnel, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. As the president of Bafla, it is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the first General Assembly meeting of Bafla for the calendar year of 2013 and 14. I and the cabinet are very much thankful to you for your strong cooperation and taking the time from your busy schedule to attend this GA meeting. Fellow members and the distinguished guests, it is now crystal clear that Bafla is getting stronger and united, and all the credit should go to you and all the efficient and dedicated cabinet members of the past years. Bafla is a unity federation, not an organization. It's a federation of many Bangladeshi organizations of Greater Los Angeles. We all are united carrying the torch of the glorifying history of our native country, history of our brave people, the people and the nation of our motherland Bangladesh, and we are proud to be a Bangladeshi American. We hold the flag of our two great nations and march on the main street of Los Angeles every year to send the message to the world that we are Bangladeshi American and we are grateful to our motherland. We are the one welcoming our future generation, our children, inspiring them to know about their roots, to know from where we came from and why we are so proud about our beloved country, Bangladesh. We believe in action, not in words. We show our patriotism which is in heart, যাকে বলে আমরা মনে প্রাণেই ভালোবাসি। I salute to all the organization whose sincere efforts and strong dedication make Bangladesh Day Parade a great success every year. On behalf of BAFLA, our cabinet would like to express our sincere gratefulness to all of the organization by giving a big round of applause. Fellow members and distinguished guests, BAFLA's main focus is to present a colorful, spectacular parade and celebrate our Independence Day. This year, we are planning to have a very colorful and gorgeous parade, and we'll try to extend the parade route from Little Bangladesh to Vermont and First Street. We will invite more dignitaries to join us in the parade, inshallah. We need to bring a festive mood in every corner of Southern California, from LA County to Orange County, Ventura County to the Riverside County. People of this world should know that Bangladeshis are proud about the nation, about their heritage, about their history, and they never forget the sacrifice of the martyrs to establish our beloved country Bangladesh in the map of this world in 1971. It all can happen if you all can help us. Extend your hand for your motherland and be united as a Bangladeshi. My dear fellow Angelino, don't you feel proud that we are the only Bangladeshis who celebrate Bangladesh Day holding the flag on the main street of Los Angeles to show the world how proud we are about our motherland? However, let me tell you what is our mission and vision to run the BAFLA cabinet this year. Our most pressing and immediate objectives are to establish BAFLA office. We have considered this matter very seriously. Our proposal to get an office within a range of $1,000, which will include all expenses, and share this expense within our 20 organizations, AC members, and from our distinguished community members. It should not be difficult to collect that amount if we take this matter seriously. The benefit of the office will be that each organization can probably use this office for their regular meeting and possibly can use that office address for their mailing address. I will ask all the distinguished guests and the members to give your opinion in your discussion time. Our second mission is to welcome more organizations who sincerely want to work to glorify the image of our motherland and maintain the dignity of our two great nations. Even though we would like to welcome individual American Bangladeshi citizens to join with us and to help us to dignify our motherland in this country, we'll welcome any individual to join any of our standing committee to help make this year's event successful. Our goal is to reach all of our community members in every corner of the greater Los Angeles and welcome them to participate in the Bangladesh Day Parade and be proud of it. The last year, previous cabinet introduced health fair. We'll try to be more effectively so that it can bring some benefit for the community members. We are discussing with many of our Bangladeshi doctors how to make it beneficial for the community. We are on the discussion process to bring child specialist, family medicine doctor, gynecologist, cardiologist, cancer specialist, chiropractor, dentist, anesthesiologist, Cigna Healthcare, Blue Cross, and we will provide free flu shot for the 20 people, and after that within a minimum payment with the courtesy of BAFLA cabinet. Please let us know if any of our distinguished guests or member wants to join with us to improve the ideas to make it a success. Please share your ideas in your discussion. My dear fellow members and distinguished guests, I would like to request all of you, please forget everything happened in the past and help us with your advice. Strong cooperation and friendship for the sake of our proud nation. I, on behalf of our cabinet, extremely sorry and apologize to any individual member or groups if your feelings were hurt during any of our BAFLA event. We are all in one family and proud to be a Bangladeshi. Let's work together. I, on behalf of our cabinet, extremely sorry and apologize to any individual member or groups if your feelings were hurt during any of our BAFLA event. We are all in one family and proud to be Bangladeshi. Let's work together. We'll try to BAFLA website popularize to our community members so that they can connect with each other wherever they live and participate in any activities of our community. Our suggestion will be restructure the website design so that the website becomes more productive and efficient. We may need to form a committee with the IT and the web design expert from our community for their advice and can seek their help and cooperation. We would like to thank Dr. Mahbub Khan for maintaining Bafla website regularly and invent LA discussion and LA community group which open a new door for our community to exchange their views. Both the forum is getting very popular. Our mission is to establish a number of standing committee and steering committee for community center, corporate funding, parade celebration, membership, political liaison with the government officials, and youth committee for our future generation. Those committees will be more independent and have the accountability with the cabinet. The responsibility and the procedure will be discussed in our next EC meeting, and the processing will start immediately. Our another mission is to contact with each and every donor and donors who have Bafla past years and to express our deep appreciation and gratefulness for their support. Our aim is to bring those donors together and get their ideas to how Bafla can be strengthened and improved in future. We feel they should be recognized in Bafla website. Distinguished guests and members, I would like to assure you that our financial transaction will be very accurate and every 6 months will be submitted to the ECs and we make and post it to our website. Our Vice President will be the coordinator of the financial team and he will assist the Finance Secretary from the beginning of our period. Every single penny will be accounted for and every member and the donors will be recognized by our cabinet. Respected members and guests, we want to form a very strong advisory council who will help us with their advice and guidance in every step of Bafla. In our next EC meeting, we will discuss about it and to form an advisory council immediately. We will ask your help to recommend the name and bring them into Bafla for the greater interest of our community. Dear respectable community members and attendees of this meeting, thank you very much for listening to my address with your full attention. I have already expressed my hopes and expectation that all of you are going to help this cabinet to make Bafla stronger and more durable. The cabinet and I are looking forward for your unconditional support and help to strengthen Bafla, and together inshallah we'll take Bafla to a higher level. I'd also like to express my deep gratitude to the numerous sponsors, patrons, volunteers and friends who helped Bafla tremendously to support and enrich Bafla through the years. Today, in this very special Bafla General Meeting, Assembly Meeting, I am cordially inviting all of you to please come forward and give your every cooperation and help to transform our community into a distinguished community through the sincere steps and honest efforts of Bafla. Inshallah, yes we can, and we believe united we stand, and we believe together we can make the Bafla better and stronger. May Allah help us. Thank you.